Despite more than 8 billion humans on Earth, there are 3 times more chickens than people. And even if we count the total weight of every human body combined, the biomass, our species still weighs less than ants. Humans are not the largest, not the strongest, not even the longest lived. Some sharks and turtles live well beyond 200 years. Corals and sponges survive for thousands, and certain jellyfish can reverse aging itself, restarting the cycle of life endlessly. Without accidents or predators, they might even be immortal. Compared to that, humans are shockingly fragile. A starfish can regrow an entire body from a single arm. The thorny devil lizard can survive years without drinking, feeding